Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So, question that can come up is it illegal to drive with broken lights? And so the short answer is yes. Thank you for watching. No, I'm just kidding. Let me explain. So basically the way that the Department of Transportation, the DOT, or local law enforcement is going to see it is the lights that's on the vehicle should work. And there's a certain minimum standard of lights. Like it's got to have two headlights. It's got to have two turn signals. The front are going to be orange, so anything that's in front of the rear axle has to be lit up on orange, even if it's on the side. Okay, and then anything that is behind the rear axle has to be in red, indicating that it's towards the back of the vehicle. So, like for instance, this one has the headlight here, turn signal here. This particular vehicle had hit a deer. They're working to put it back together, but all this was busted out. But this is a one-piece assembly, so it's the headlight, turn signal. Other vehicles are going to have just a headlight assembly, and then underneath it is a turn signal assembly. But yes, those lights should work. So one of the things that we do on every oil change is we'll literally turn on your flashers and make sure your turn signals are working. We'll check your brake lights, we'll check your tag lights, we'll check your low beam headlights, and we'll check your high beam headlights. And then the other light, and if we come back here, we can see it in a couple different places. So there's literally a brake light right here, and if I was to push the brake, you'd be able to see, right? And that's called the third eye brake light. Not every vehicle has a third eye brake light, but we can also see on this pickup, it's actually on the back of the cab. The third eye brake light's on the back of the cab. And yeah, that comes on whenever the brakes are pushed. So hope this video helps. But yes, it's important that whatever lights are on the vehicle, you can add more lights, but if they're on the vehicle, they need to be working. See you in the next video.